Drivers walked off the job due to concerns about the virus. Now we've learned that one of those drivers has died from COVID-19. Fox News' Ingrid Kelly with more on his message to passengers just days before he died.
And we out here as public workers doing our job.
It was March 21st, and Detroit Department of Transportation bus driver Jason Hartgrove is livid.
For you to get on the bus and stand on the bus and cough several times without covering up your mouth, and you know that we in the middle of a pandemic.
4 days later, his union says he was quarantined, and on April 1st, he passed away.
I don't know how you can watch it and not tear up.
On March 17th, hundreds of DDOT bus drivers walked off the job because of COVID-19. That same day, Mayor Mike Duggan and the drivers' union worked out their differences and came to an agreement on behalf of the drivers, and they went back to work.
To see this happen, I can't say it was enough. Some of them are very scared.
On Thursday, the mayor announcing additional efforts to help DDOT drivers, including an effort to test bus drivers like other first responders and an effort to extend housing to bus drivers who are quarantined.
As of today, we are extending the hotel services to our DDOT drivers.
Some DDOT bus drivers now want the city to put the brakes on bus service during this COVID-19 crisis.
We're picking up 15 to 20 people. There's no way that we can do social distancing within a bus, on a crowded bus. And then you have some people that just cough and sneeze, not covering their mouths.
But when the mayor was questioned if he would cut off bus service, he says he believes the right measures are in place, and he encouraged people to practice sanitary habits, including social distancing.
Bruh, this ain't gonna get no better before it get worse, because people ain't taking it serious.
In Detroit, Ingrid Kelly.
What is up, TKO gang? It's your girl TK Official, and y'all, we are back with another video, another COVID-19 video, another COVID-19 update, whatever y'all want to call it. So, I was hip to a story about a Detroit bus driver. Okay, so he drove the public transportation. He did public transportation, so he drove a bus around Detroit. There was a passenger who got on the bus, and she's coughing, and she's showing signs and symptoms of COVID-19. So he like, look, man, you know what I'm saying, Detroit, y'all not paying us enough. Y'all not giving us gloves, and y'all not giving us masks to kind of protect ourselves. We kind of putting our lives on the line. So this same driver, this same public transportation driver, ended up passing away a couple days later from COVID-19. All right. So you guys are going to get my raw reaction. My Veil driver kind of hit me to this video, this story. And so I did want to come on here, watch it with you guys, and let y'all get my raw reaction. So if you are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post bell notification, right, to be notified of any and every upload from your girl TK Official. Thanks to all my supporters, old and new. Let's go ahead and get right into the video.
Hey, look, listen, man, let me say something. This coronavirus shit is for real. And we out here as public workers doing our job, trying to make an honest living to take care of our families. But for you to get on the bus and stand on the bus and cough.
Hey, this junk ain't funny at all, but I mean, this man is sweating while telling us this story, trying to get this story out, trying to get his thoughts and his opinion out on the COVID-19, bruh. it's very disrespectful for you to come on the bus and coughing, and then maybe accent nicely for you to protect yourself, and you don't want to protect yourself. This is just what I heard from my veiled driver. Again, this is my first time watching the video. Y'all getting my raw reaction.
Several times without covering up your mouth, and you know that we in the middle of a pandemic. That lets me know that some folks don't care, utterly don't give a fuck. Excuse my language.
And for me, it's disrespectful because it is a big deal, because it's one thing to you don't care if you have it, but you can go out and kind of give it to the next person. You know what I'm saying? So it's very selfish of a person coming in public on a public bus coughing and things of that sort, and don't have no mask on or nothing like that.
But that's how I feel right about now. For a grown-ass person in her late 50s, early 60s to stand on the fucking bus and cough.
And then on top of that, you old as dirt. You 50 or 60 years old. Come on, man. We expect these youngsters, right, these 2000 babies, to be on some junk like that, but we do not expect no 50, 60-year-old woman to be on nothing like that.
4 and 5 times without covering up your mouth, and you know we in the midst of a motherfucking crisis with this coronavirus. I am pissed the fuck off. I ain't blaming nobody. I ain't blaming nobody but the woman that did that shit. I ain't putting the fault on nobody else.
And y'all gotta think too, it's Detroit. Detroit already is a city of low poverty. You know, a lot of people out there probably ain't taking care of themselves. They're not going to the doctor getting checked or nothing like that, man. So it is a big deal. And this man over here coughing, man, I'm finna get up out of here.
For us to get through this and get over this, man, y'all need to take this shit serious. It's folks dying from this. Listen, there's folks dying out here because of this shit. And I don't mean, listen, I'm mad right about now because that shit was uncalled for. And I'm trying to be the professional that they want me to be. And I kept my mouth closed. All right, thank you.
He up in here coughing. Take your butt on, boy. Take your butt on.
I kept my mouth closed. But it's at some point in time where you got to draw the line and say enough is enough. That shit was uncalled for. I feel violated. I feel violated for the folks that was on the bus.
If I was him, I would feel violated too. Not only for myself, as a public transportation worker, I would feel bad for the other people that was on the bus. Like, bro, you're getting on the bus showing no consideration whatsoever. It's rude.
When this happened, it was about a good 8-9 people on the bus, and she stood there and coughed.
And that's considered a crowd. That is considered a crowd. So you coughing, not covering your mouth. You ain't got nothing to cover your mouth, let alone you covering it yourself. And you can possibly affect 9, 10 people. It's inconsiderate, bro.
Never covered up her mouth. So, to those who watching, I'm just letting you know, this is real, and y'all need to take this serious.
It's getting real.
This is real. I'm out here, we out here, we moving the city around back and forth, trying to do our jobs and be professional about what we do. Again, I ain't blaming nobody. Nobody. Not the city, not the mayor, not the department, not the state of Michigan, not the government, nobody, not the president. I blame that woman who stood on this fucking bus and coughed. It's her fault. It's people like her who don't take shit for real why this shit is still existing and still spreading. I'm out of here. I got my job to do. I love y'all, but this shit needs to stop. This shit don't make no damn sense. And I mean that. That was disrespectful.
He had to get off the bus, take a break to get on Facebook Live to let the people know, bro, you cannot go around moving like that. It's inconsiderate. It's disrespectful. On top of that, you 50, 60 years old. Come on, man. You got to have consideration for others.
Disrespectful. We ain't talking about no teenager. You're talking about a grown-ass woman that did this.
That's exactly what I just said. He hot.
Chris, I'm good, man. I feel better today. I mean, I feel nasty right now, but I feel better today. But I feel nasty right now for somebody to do that, to sit up and cough on the bus.
So, unbeknownst to him, he is now infected. Now, we're not sure if he got affected during this moment or some other time because, like I said, he does work for public transportation, and there's a lot of people getting on and off the bus, especially in a city like Detroit.
Don't cover up themselves. And they telling you every day what to do. If you cough and sneeze, cough in your arm, sneeze in some tissue. I mean, damn. What the hell?
Now, let's just say he did get infected during this time. He said it was 9, 10 other people on the bus. So now it's 9, 10 other people, and everybody probably ain't got tested. I'm sure this man didn't get tested. He just ended up passing away. It's flu-like symptoms, so the symptoms are, you can still feel regular. You can still go on about your day and not even know you have it.
Bruh, this ain't gonna get no better before it get worse, because people ain't taking it serious. It ain't. They ain't. Like I said, I ain't blaming nobody. I ain't blaming nobody but that woman that was on this bus that stood up behind the line where they...
She would have had to get off my bus. I don't care. I'm sure they got the right to tell a passenger if they being disorderly and things of that sort. I'm sure they got the right to ask a person, hey, say, ma'am, you're going to have to get off at the next stop. You know what I'm saying? You're being disorderly and disrespectful to others. Okay, coughing, you're not putting your hand, your arm, you're not coughing into a tissue, nothing. I'm going to need you to get off the bus, lady. I'm sure they can do that. They have the right to do that to protect themselves and others.
Not supposed to be and cough 4, 5 times and didn't cover up her mouth. She did that. You can't blame nobody. I can't blame nobody else. I got a job to do. I'm trying to be professional out here. I got a job to do. And I'm being professional about it. I wanted to, Chris, man. But you know how you know. And it'll just fester to something else bigger and worse. Because here go the big angry ass bus driver putting people off the bus. No, baby, I'm not gonna bring her cooties to you. I'm gonna take my clothes off at the front door. I'm gonna take my clothes off.
Oh, his wife got on there and gave him a little laugh, telling him, asking him if she gonna bring the cooties to the house or whatever. He said he gonna take his clothes off at the front door. That was very cute. You know what I'm saying? Because at a time like that, bro, we gotta stay humble, you know what I'm saying? And we gotta find the good and the fun and things, you know what I'm saying? We gotta laugh a little because right now in these times, it's hard, man. So, yeah, you know, call your loved ones, tell your loved ones we love, you know what I'm saying? You love them and And you know what I'm saying, call your loved ones and check on your loved ones and things like that, because like I said, at a time like that, you just don't know, you know what I'm saying, and think, you know, there's a lot of people that's not getting checked. So, you know what I'm saying, you got to kind of humble yourself and, you know what I'm saying, and reach out to your loved ones, family and friends.
At the front door and get in the shower. But I just want to let y'all know, this is how our people out here acting. Our people.